Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. So, exciting news today. Probably some of the more exciting news that we've gotten since we began the project. Many people who have followed our project know that the goal was to, at some point, develop our own blockchain. And whereas this was something that we had planned to do maybe sometimes in the near future. It would seem that fate has decided something else, and this may not look like much to you, but what you're witnessing right now is you're actually witnessing the Bitcoin MYK blockchain running nodes in operation, right? And so it has began. This is bare bones at this point in time. We do have an interface for the wallets and so on and so forth. And people will begin to be able to start running nodes here on the chain. And we'll make that available to the mining community. Anybody who wants to run nodes, they'll be able to jump right in and do that. And I could explain in great detail this exciting news, getting to this plateau when many projects out there haven't reached that point yet. And we had carefully planned out Bitcoin MYK for since its inception, really. So we looked further down the road to really be able to put together this project. And before I go any further with it, I think what's going to be the best is to let this promotional video about the Polkadot network explain exactly what's going on, because they do such an excellent job at it, much more so than I. And so I'm going to let them do that. And just really exciting news. We believe this is going to bring a lot of value to the Bitcoin MYK project. We really believe, bias not included, that we're probably one of the best cryptocurrency projects out there. I think we have a great grasp of how blockchain technology can be used to the best of its ability. We're not just putting individual businesses on the chains or games on the chain, but what we've done is something that, through a geopolitical lens and in a social dynamic system, to the point where value can be moved from person to person around the world. I think we've been able to understand some of the best ways to use blockchain technology in creating a system, not a business, not a game, not a speculative device, but something that people are going to really be able to use in the future. And if you follow our project and look at our platform, I think with careful examination, you'll begin to see that as well. Not to mention the very interesting tokenomics in our deflationary models that are giving our users the most value, I think, void of the type of manipulation that I believe is present in Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies, and models that I feel that are dated in cryptocurrency. Many of these same economic models that haven't worked well for us in the real world, we have replicated, duplicated the same exact models, brought them to the blockchain, which makes no sense in my opinion. But what we've done, I believe, is Bitcoin MYK has looked forward into the future, into the 21st century, and it's going to really bring a significant use of blockchain technology to the world in a digestible way that they can understand it. But before I go any further, let's take a look at the presentation video from the Polkadot team so you can really grasp the full gravity and weight of what's happening here. All right, gonna start this this video presentation. If my recording device doesn't pick it up really well, we will try our best to leave a link in the description so you can watch the original video presentation. But if it plays well for you, go ahead and watch it and enjoy. And if you have any questions about the future of Bitcoin MYK, that very exciting future and where we're headed, don't hesitate to leave comments in the comment section. Join our Discord channel. Join our website. You can earn some of our cryptocurrency free today. And I'm just going to end the video on that note with the end of this presentation. As always, if you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe. And here we go.
This is a blockchain. Blockchains can be useful for all sorts of things, from improving open access to financial services to providing a better, safer way to manage our data online. Blockchains are used to build applications for gaming, supply chain logistics, social media, the Internet of Things, and more. But up until now, protocol limitations have made blockchain technology impractical for most real-world use cases. Networks composed of a single blockchain, for example, can only process a limited number of transactions. If too many transactions are submitted at once, a bottleneck occurs, causing delays and increased transaction fees. That won't work. What's needed is a way for blockchains, designed for specific purposes, to work together efficiently and securely at scale. This is Polkadot, a sharded blockchain protocol that unites an entire network of diverse blockchains into a single decentralized ecosystem. Polkadot makes it easier than ever for software developers, startups, and enterprises to make efficient use of blockchain technology in precisely the way that's best for their project. Polkadot makes blockchain scalable and customizable. It also unlocks cross-chain communication, transparent governance, and, for the first time ever, a way to seamlessly upgrade blockchains. How does it work? Meet the Polkadot relay chain. This is the heart of the Polkadot network. All blockchains on Polkadot are connected here, like spokes connected to the hub of a wheel. Each blockchain connected to the relay chain can be optimized for a specific use case. This allows teams to incorporate exactly the functionality they need and offers greater efficiency and security than building on a general-purpose blockchain. Teams can also drastically reduce the build time of their custom blockchain by building it with Substrate, our modular development framework. The relay chain allows Polkadot to process transactions from all chains in the network at the same time, drastically increasing scalability. This simultaneous transaction processing, also called parallel processing, is why blockchains on Polkadot are called parachains. The relay chain also provides a secure way for chains to communicate with each other. Polkadot's cross-chain messaging scheme allows chains to exchange any type of data. For example, a token, an account balance, or even information from the real world, like a stock price or the final score of a sporting event. This interoperability promotes innovation on new types of services that leverage the specific capabilities of different chains, for example, for decentralized finance applications. So, what about governance? Other blockchain protocols often have a small group of stakeholders making crucial decisions in an opaque way for the entire network. Polkadot is governed transparently on-chain by all stakeholders who wish to participate, by proposing and voting on referenda, using Polkadot's native token, the DOT. Individual parachain teams are completely sovereign and free to govern their own blockchains in any way they see fit. When it comes to upgrades, the process for updating conventional blockchains can cause a hard fork, a divergence in the chain that can take months of work, and risks splitting a community in two. Polkadot is the first protocol to enable forkless, on-chain upgrades. This capability means teams can bring new features to their blockchain on Polkadot, easier and faster than with any other protocol. Polkadot also enables bridges to other networks like Bitcoin or Ethereum for cross-network functionality and communication. Never before has there been a protocol for connecting diverse blockchains together and allowing them to communicate safely with each other at scale in a decentralized way. Polkadot makes blockchain technology accessible and practical for teams innovating real-world applications for a better future. This is Blockchain Unbounded. Are you ready to start building?